TSP to Gold IRA Rollover, is it worth the risk in 2025? For federal employees, the Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, is a trusted retirement vehicle. But with inflation and financial instability shaping the economy, many are exploring whether a TSP to Gold IRA rollover is a wise move in 2025. Gold has long been seen as a safe haven, but does the stability it offers outweigh the risks? Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why investors consider a Gold IRA rollover. Gold has a unique appeal. It is tangible, scarce, and historically holds value when markets falter. Unlike stocks or bonds, its worth is not tied to corporate earnings or government debt. For those worried about inflation, currency devaluation, or volatility, rolling part of a TSP into a Gold IRA provides diversification and peace of mind. Key considerations before a rollover. 1. Inflation protection. Gold often maintains value when the dollar weakens, making it attractive during high inflation periods. 2. Diversification. A TSP is heavily tied to stocks and bonds. Gold helps spread risk across asset classes. 3. Liquidity challenges. TSP withdrawals are direct, while Gold IRAs require selling metals first, delaying access to cash. 4. Costs involved. Gold IRAs include custodian and storage fees, adding expenses not found in traditional TSP accounts. 5. IRS rules. Rollovers must follow strict regulations. Errors can trigger taxes or penalties. 6. Growth versus stability. Stocks may outperform long-term, while gold provides steadiness in uncertain times. Balancing reward and risk. The real challenge lies in balance. Gold does not generate dividends or compound growth like equities, but it protects against economic shocks. Allocating a portion of savings to gold can serve as a safeguard, while leaving the majority in TSP funds captures potential growth. The right mix depends on retirement timelines and risk tolerance. A TSP to Gold IRA rollover in 2025 offers both advantages and trade-offs. It can shield wealth from inflation and diversify assets, but comes with costs and reduced liquidity. For those seeking stability, it can be a prudent choice. For others focused on maximizing long-term growth, keeping more in traditional TSP options may be wiser. The best strategy lies in striking a careful balance between security and opportunity. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.